I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and confirming you're signed into the profile whose search history you want to stop. Once signed in, open the three-dot menu and choose Settings. This takes you straight to Profile Controls. Next, select You in Google, then Sync and Google Services so you can access search and activity toggles. You do this now because controlling sync determines whether searches are stored across devices, which prevents surprises later. Now turn off web and app activity by toggling it off. This is the key step that stops Google from saving your searches to your account. When prompted, read the dialog and confirm you want to pause activity. Make sure to decline any option that says Resume Sync. Also check Chrome-specific history and autocomplete toggles, turning them off to prevent local and server-side storage. Once done, Chrome will stop adding new searches to your account history across devices. Finish by removing past entries. Open History, choose Clear Browsing Data, set the time range to all time, and include browsing and search history. Click Clear Data to erase stored searches that preceded the pause. After that, verify the web and app activity toggle remains off and consider signing out or modifying profile sync settings if multiple users share the device. Troubleshooting tip: if searches keep appearing, check other signed-in devices and revoke account access or disconnect them to ensure the change propagates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.